throwback video today. And I'm in a mall right now. I'm not somewhere else. It's a lot of people. I just saw that tree, so yeah, decided I'm gonna be filming there. Anyway, need to go home now. And yeah. Price all those ramyun because it's winter. There's a lot of them there. So I just came across this guy who left his bag at the back of his car, and I'm a good Samaritan that I told him. I had to race him. I had to honk my horn and annoy him, but yeah, he later found out that my intentions were good. His bag was on the back of his car. It might have fallen. It might have a laptop there. It might have a lot of things. Anyway, nice to do that to a person. Yeah. I was terrified when I was honking my horn, and I was just pointing at his car because yeah, he just left his stuff outside the car. By the time he's gonna realize it's gonna be gone. Good thing I pointed. I feel good for myself. Yeah. Just had to park. Well, you just have to park like a douche. You could just have back the car a bit and you could have parked it better, but you have to park it that way. Okay, since nothing was filmed today, here's a throwback video when we went to the falls. We drove 4 hours, filmed for half an hour to an hour, and then went back. 4 hours, we're back in Melbourne. Check it out.
It's the sign of the time.